Emily. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Learn Easy English channel. My name is Emily, and I'm so happy to be here with you again today.
Sophie, hi Emily. Hi everyone listening from around the world. It's always such a pleasure to join you here. I hope you're all doing well and ready to learn some simple and useful English with us.
Emily, it's great to have you back, Sophie. And to all our amazing listeners, thank you so much for tuning in. We appreciate every one of you.
Sophie, yes, absolutely. And today, we have a very useful topic for anyone who is just starting to learn English or wants to review the basics. We're going to talk about our daily routine, the things we usually do from the time we wake up in the morning until we go to bed at night.
Emily, exactly. Talking about your day is a great way to learn and practice basic English verbs, simple vocabulary, and common phrases that you can use every day.
Sophie, and before we dive into today's conversation, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It really helps us keep making these lessons for you.
Emily, yes, please do. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and maybe share it with your friends or classmates who are also learning English. We also love reading your comments, so feel free to share your thoughts or even tell us about your own daily routine in English. Emily, okay, Sophie, let's begin with the morning. Can you tell us what you usually do when you wake up in the morning?
Sophie, sure. I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. I open my eyes slowly, take a deep breath, and stretch my arms before I sit up in bed. Then I get out of bed, even if I still feel a little sleepy.
Emily, that's a nice start to the day. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock. I like to stay in bed for a few minutes before I finally get up.
Sophie, yes, I think a slow start helps sometimes. After I get out of bed, I go straight to the bathroom where I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel more awake, and then I brush my teeth thoroughly.
Emily, that's a great habit. I also brush my teeth and wash my face right after waking up. After that, I usually go to the kitchen to make breakfast.
Sophie, same here. When I go to the kitchen, the first thing I do is boil some water and make a hot cup of tea. While the tea is steeping, I prepare a bowl of cereal or toast a couple of slices of bread.
Emily, that sounds like a healthy and simple breakfast. I usually make a cup of coffee and have some toast with butter or sometimes a banana. If I have time, I might make eggs.
Sophie, niece. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose my clothes for the day depending on the weather and whether I'm going to work from home or at the office.
Emily, that's important. I usually wear comfortable clothes if I'm staying at home, but if I'm going out, I also put on my shoes and maybe a coat if it's chilly outside.
Sophie, exactly. Once I'm dressed and ready, I leave the house and head to work. If I'm working from home, I just go to my desk.
So let's talk about what we usually do during the day. What does your workday look like, Sophie?
Sophie, well, when I work from home, I usually sit at my desk and use my laptop. I check my emails, reply to messages, write articles, and sometimes prepare lessons or presentations. I try to stay focused, but sometimes I take short breaks to stretch.
Emily, that sounds productive. When I go to the office, I usually sit at my desk as well. I check my emails, write reports, and attend meetings with my colleagues to discuss projects or tasks for the day.
Sophie, meetings are such a big part of work life, aren't they? I sometimes have online meetings too. It's great that we can connect with our coworkers even when we're not in the same.
Emily, yes, I agree. Around lunchtime, I usually take a break and eat something light. I often bring a packed lunch from home, like a sandwich or a salad.
Sophie, same here. I often make a sandwich or heat up some leftovers. Then I sit at the kitchen table and enjoy my lunch while maybe listening to some music or watching a short video.
Emily, that sounds relaxing. After lunch, I usually return to work and continue with my tasks until the late afternoon.
Sophie, me too. I try to finish my important tasks before 5 or 6 p.m., and then I start wrapping things up for the day.
Emily, so, Sophie, what do you do after work?
Sophie, after I finish work, I usually take a short break to rest. I go to the living room, sit on the sofa, and sometimes I turn on the TV to watch the news or a movie. It helps me relax.
Emily, I do the same. I also like to read a book or talk to my family members about their day. Sometimes we all sit together and have tea.
Sophie, that sounds lovely. After relaxing a bit, I usually go to the kitchen again and cook dinner. I like to cook simple dishes like pasta with vegetables or make some soup if it's a cold evening.
Emily, I enjoy cooking too. I often look for easy recipes online and try something new. After dinner, I wash the dishes. It's not the most fun task, but it has to be done.
Sophie, yes, I agree. After doing the dishes, I might listen to some music or go for a short walk outside if the weather is nice. It helps me clear my mind before going to bed.
Emily, that's a healthy habit. I sometimes call a friend or family member for a short chat, just to stay connected. And before bed, I always brush my teeth again.
Sophie, same here. Brushing my teeth before bed is part of my routine. Then I change into my pajamas and get into bed, usually around 10:30 or 11 o'clock.
Emily, I usually go to bed a little later, around 11:30, but I try not to stay up too late.
Sophie, so let's quickly review all the key actions and verbs we talked about today. These are all common daily activities.
Emily, wow, that's a great list. All of these verbs are very useful for English beginners. If you learn how to use them, you can describe your whole day in English with ease.
Sophie, exactly. And we encourage all of you to try this. Think about your own daily routine and try saying it out loud in English. You can even write it down to help remember the vocabulary.
Emily, and don't worry if you make mistakes, that's part of learning. The important thing is to keep practicing every day and stay motivated.
Sophie, yes, and we'll be here to support you along the way. If you have any questions or want to share your routine with us, leave a comment below.
Emily, we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn Easy English channel, like this episode, and share it with others who are learning English.
Sophie, until next time, keep speaking, keep learning, and have a wonderful day.
Emily, goodbye everyone.